iCloud email not receiving emails. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve iCloud email not receiving emails, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been trying to receive email on iCloud but then you're not receiving email on your iCloud mail, now this could be that maybe you have not set up your iCloud mail or you have not turned on iCloud mail. To check this, open the settings application here, tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top, and then right here you'll find an option that says iCloud. So simply go to iCloud here, and here you can see iCloud mail. Now in my case I have not set it up. If you have set it up, then you might not have turned on, so you'll most likely find the off option here. You just have to go ahead and then turn that on, and when you turn that on, you'll start receiving emails and your iCloud mail will get successfully active. Also, you need to make sure you have got enough iCloud storage, because if you don't have iCloud storage, you will not be able to receive emails on iCloud because there is no storage. So you might want to clear up some storage before that. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.